how you can fix the performing request unknown error in your iPhone. Now this is a dialer problem in your iPhone, and to fix this what you'll need to do is go to your settings. Now before I show you what to do next, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's continue. So what you need to do is, after you're on your settings, scroll all the way down till you find apps. So tap on apps, and here you'll need to find phone. So after you find phone, just tap on it, and after you're inside phone, you'll need to scroll all the way down. Now under calls section, you will see call forwarding. Open it up. It will take some time to load, and after it loads, you will need to turn it off if you've turned it on. So just turn it off, and after doing that, your problem should get fixed. And yeah, that is basically it. That is how you fix it. That is all for the video too. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.